Songbird. Today I am giving you 5 exercises in 5 minutes to warm up your voice perfectly in the mornings. You know, there are 5 things that you really need to do to activate in your vocal folds in order to sing well right from the get-go. So here is number 1. The first thing you need to do is to be able to thin out and stretch your vocal folds, because you've been sleeping for about 8 hours or whatever. Your vocal folds actually get quite thick, and when they're thickened and it's actually quite hard for them to move flexibly. So we need to start getting them to move flexibly. Sorry. And we are going to start that with a bubble, which is also called a lip trill. So like this. Okay, very lightly, very gently. The exercise is a bubble on a descending fifth. All right, so it goes like this. I'm going to play it in your octave now. You can do this on your own as I walk you through it. Here we go. Nice and light and gentle. Very good. Nice. Nice and light. Don't get too loud on this. Start lifting your soft palate. Very good. So good. Nice and light. Very good. Got a few more. Last one. Fabulous. The second thing that your vocal folds really need in order to warm up properly in the morning is optimal vocal fold vibration. Your vocal folds have basically not been touching each other. They have not been vibrating because you've been sleeping, right? And when you're sleeping and you're not speaking or using your voice, your vocal folds are basically apart. Now we need to bring them together, but we need to bring them together to vibrate optimally. And the best way to do that is through straw phonation. So we're going to sing through a straw, okay, on a descending arpeggio. It goes like this. So this exercise is not loud, okay? So you got to just keep the volume at a very reasonable kind of softish volume, okay? Now I'm going to play in your octave and you come along with me. Let's do this. And nice. Good, keep it soft. This is great. Yes. Okay, well done. Good. Now just let your voice go where it wants to go, right? You don't have to force anything up. Nice. This is so good. Doing super. Keeping easy and gentle. We've got a few more. Nice Fantastic. The third thing that your voice desperately needs in the morning to warm up is to get rid of any throat tension. And the best way to do this is on my favorite lazy blah, blah, blah exercise. Now, when you sing this, it's got to be lazy. It's got to sound sloppy. It's got to sound ugly. If it sounds really pretty, you're not really achieving what we're trying to achieve. So it goes like this. Blah, 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 blah. All right, it's ugly, okay? I'm going to play it in your octave and you can sing along with me. Drop your jaw. Stick your tongue out a bit. That's it. Make it ugly, sloppy. Even sloppier here as we get higher. Well done. Very good. Drop the jaw a bit more. This is so good. Nice. Very good. Still keeping it lazy. Amazing, guys. The fourth thing that your voice needs in the morning to warm up is vocal fold adduction with a soft consonant. Now, what do I mean by that? Adduction simply means the vocal folds are actually coming together to touch, okay? But it's the morning, so we don't want to be too sort of like harsh first thing. So we're going to use a softer consonant. So it brings the vocal folds together, but in a gentle manner, all right? And this is the exercise that we're going to do. We're going to sing a wee, wee on a triad. It goes like this. Wee, 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 wee. Now you can see I'm not going wee, wee, wee. Okay, so we don't want to smile it. We don't want to like overly widen it. We just want to sing it. It's still quite lazy. So kind of like the blahs, but not so extreme sloppy. Okay, here we go. Wee, 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 wee. 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 Okay, your turn. I'm playing it in your octave. Come along. Let's go. Now drop your jaw. That's it. Don't smile this. Very good. Nice. Doing well. Very good. Now even lazier here as we get higher. Good. Nice work. Very good. Keeping the jaw dropped. Very good. Nice and light. Don't get too heavy down low. Awesome. Great job, guys. And the fifth thing that your voice really needs to warm up properly in the morning is now vocal fold adduction, but with a harder consonant. So, your voice is just waking up. We don't want to sort of hit it so hard straight away. We've got to set it up for success first, which is what we did in the fourth exercise. In the fifth exercise, we now take it to another level and we introduce a harder consonant to make the vocal folds come together even more, a bit more closure, so that you can get more connection and really wake up the voice. We're going to do this with a beep, beep, beep on an arpeggio, and it goes like this. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Okay, so if you noticed, I really emphasized the pronunciation of the B, okay? But, because that's going to really bring the vocal fold adduction that we are looking for to help you stay connected. All right, we're going to play it in your octave now, and you are going to sing this on your own. Here we go. And emphasize the B a bit more. That's it. Nice work. Now don't over smile this too much and get tight. Good. Good stuff. Well done. Still emphasizing the B's? Very good. Very good. Now be careful of getting too tight, yeah? On wide. Nice. Okay, last one here. There you go, warmed up with 5 exercises in 5 minutes. Songbird, you know that I'm always believing in you, so why don't you get out there, get grounded, take flight, and sing.